What are 5 habits that can improve my life? 1. Learn to say no without offering an explanation. Learn to say no and nothing else. It's something you should practice. Some people may look at you as if you've just thrown something in their face, but once you accept this, you'll have complete power over your life. Don't put off making a decision because it will make others unhappy. You are in charge of your own happiness, not theirs. As long as you keep watching this video, I'm gonna give you a little gift at the end. 2. Stop waiting and start asking yourself, how can I complete my 10-year goal in 6 months? You'll almost certainly fail, but you'll be further along than the person who simply accepted a 10-year timeline. 3. Don't let a bad 10 seconds of your day ruin the other 86 plus 390 seconds. If you had 86,400 in your bank account and someone stole 10, would you throw the remaining 86,390 away? We have 86 plus 400 seconds every day. Don't let a negative 10 seconds ruin your entire day. You run this shit. 4. Choose who you hang out with carefully. You'll be the 6th if you hang around with 5 confident folks. You might be the 6th millionaire if you hang out with 5 millionaires. You'll be the 6th idiot if you hang around with 5 idiots. With whom are you spending your time? 5. Don't be so bothered by the opinions of people you don't even know. The cheapest seats have the loudest boos. People who have made the smallest investment in you are likely to have the most to say about you. Trust your job, remain hustling, and maintain a tight circle. Your gift if you want to improve your life and career. Follow the links in the description. If you found this video joyful, please kindly like, share, leave a quick comment below. In our channel you will find many topics for life changing, and we can only do it with your help. Thank you for watching.